video. So I'm whispering because it's Steve's birthday today and I'm just setting up the living room with some bits. I've got his presents and a few decorations to put up, which I'm going to do now, but he's upstairs. So I'm going to set it up while he's upstairs and he's going to come down and he can open his presents.
We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Harry Potter, happy birthday! All the balloons, your presents are there.
Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you.
So Steve has just opened all his presents. Did you like them?
I loved them. Best girlfriend ever.
You know.
I got a
Last
year's
year.
supply of jelly tots.
I bet they won't last you a year.
And I got a new hat.
Don't lose this one.
I'm gonna wear it like this.
You're like a chef. And now we're gonna have a sausage sandwich and a bit of a pamper day. Yeah.
Yes, a bumper day.
There's not really much we can do on a birthday in lockdown, so we're just going to have a nice chill day, enjoy some nice food and see what else. The weather is horrible because we was going to go out for a walk, but the weather looks like that.
She's going to give me a surprise.
Little surprise.
Surprise! See you in a minute. So she's told me to park here and she's wandered off down Rainham High Street. Now, I'm not silly. I know what kind of shops are in Rainham High Street, and there's only really one that we use in Rainham High Street other than the pub, and that's not open. And there's this lovely place called Rebecca's Cakes. So I can only assume she's going to walk round the corner with some lovely looking box full of lovely delicious cake. But we shall soon find out. Oh, she has a box. Ooh, it looks nice.
Do you want me to open it for you?
Yeah, please. Oh wow, that looks awesome.
So I've popped some candles in it and got a Harry Potter happy birthday topper just to make it look pretty. But look how good it looks. Make a wish. Let's go cut it up.
Oh, I literally just want to eat that right now.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Very good brownie. So Steve has just got in the bath to have a bit of a relaxing start to the afternoon, and I'm going to quickly go fit in a workout while he's in the bath. I really can't be bothered, but I know I feel good after, so I'm going to quickly go fit in a workout before we start the rest of the birthday celebrations this afternoon.
We got this day forever. this summer forever.
Gonna eat some pizza tonight. Pizza, pizza. Gonna eat some pizza tonight. Pizza, pizza. Look what my cute girlfriend's got me. Build your own pizza pack.
Okay, so we've just done a little workout and now it's time for Steve's birthday dinner. I ordered a DIY pizza kit from Passo To Go. And we got 2 lots of dough for pizza and then 1 lot of dough for dough balls, and we're going to make our own pizzas tonight for dinner. So we've got some mixed vegetable toppings, some portobello mushrooms that actually look a bit like slugs, but they are really nice.
Eat slugs, Malfoy.
Some sauce, and then we've got some so it's parmesan, and then obviously mozzarella and tomato sauce. So we're going to have a go at making our own pizzas.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free.
So we got our pizza bases. Here's mine. And Steve has put his into the pan. Apparently this is a frying pan method of making pizzas.
Obviously, this will work with any pizza kit from the Passo To Go website. So the sauce on, the cheese on.
Music, let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
This is Steve's pizza. It's actually looking quite good. I'm surprised. I didn't think we'd be able to do it. Mine's in the grill, toasting up. And Steve's adding his parmesan, and we found out that the green leaf stuff is basil, not spinach.
I mean, it looks like spinach, doesn't
It
it?
does look like spinach. Some basil to finish it off nicely. You can add some basil to mine. Very pretty.
Look at these dough balls. They're huge. Passo To Go. Check it out.
So I have a newfound respect for people who make pizzas for a living, but they look really good.
So, Alice is going to give us the first taste test.
Oh, am I?
Yes, you are.
It's going to be really hot though.
She's giving it a thumbs up.
It tastes like pizza from a restaurant.
Really?
It's really good. Steve's taste test time. It does, doesn't it? Tastes like from a restaurant.
It's so squidgy. Every home pizza that I've had is always like flat and crispy.
Yeah.
And this is so squidgy.
So basically, if you're looking for a home pizza kit, definitely try Passo To Go.
100% recommend it.
It's really, really good.
And look at the size of these dough balls. They're as big as my head. Well,
They're not, they're as big as your nose.
unbelievable.
So we're gonna sit and enjoy our pizza. So We ate our pizza. It was amazing, wasn't it?
That pizza was another level. It was so good.
And they do pasta kits as well on the same website. So if you prefer pasta, they do pasta kits. After we ate, we logged on to a Zoom, which was a virtual Harry Potter tour of London.
Which was so cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really good. There was a host that took us round and he was like a comedian.
What was the tour called? Do you remember?
I think it's just called a virtual Harry Potter tour. It was on the Airbnb website. But yeah, it was really good. It was really funny. We got sorted into like the houses, and then you sort of had quiz questions the whole way through that you had to answer, and then if you got it right, you got points for your house as such, didn't you?
And guess who won?
Steve won.
Birthday boy. Bringing it home for Slytherin.
But yeah, so we did that. It was really good. It was about an hour and a half long, and there's only 4 of us on there, wasn't there?
Yes.
Us 2 and then our 2 friends. So usually it's a walk-in tour in London that you get a host that takes you around London to see all the like iconic parts from the film. But obviously at the moment, why no one can leave in lockdown, they're doing a virtual one. I'll leave the link to the website where we found it in the description box. But now we're just going to chill out and watch a film. I feel like I say that in every single vlog at the end. We're gonna chill out and watch a film. But have you had a nice birthday?
I've had an amazing birthday. The pizza making was such a nice surprise, and then followed by doing the Harry Potter tour of London with our best friends. It was super cool.
So it is now just gone 12 o'clock and we are in bed. We've had a really nice day. We've actually done quite a lot of stuff, haven't we?
Yeah, I feel like we've had a really chilled day, but it's been a really busy day at the same time.
Yeah, I think it's because we had quite a chilled morning and afternoon, and the evening suddenly got busy, didn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Because we had quite a few things to do in the evening. Because obviously we did our usual workout where we FaceTimed our 2 friends. After that we cooked dinner. Then we went straight into the Harry Potter Zoom. And then we watched a film, and Steve did some ear candles that he got for his birthday, and you said they're really good, didn't you?
Yeah, it feels so much better already.
So we're going to end the video here because we're going to go off to bed now. But thank you so much for watching, and if you aren't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my channel and give it a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy the video as well. And we shall see you in the next video. Bye bye!
Bye!